How can Inmode Bodytite help in treatment of severe gynecomastia? Bodytite by Inmode is an excellent treatment for shrinking extra skin. But can this help in treatment of severe gynecomastia? I'm Dr. Aniketh Venkataram, AVA Aesthetics Bangalore by the Venkat Center, and we will talk about how Bodytite by Inmode helps us to treat severe gynecomastia without giving large scars. So, what is Bodytite by Inmode? Bodytite is a revolutionary treatment for skin tightening. This is a Bodytite probe. It is what is called as bipolar radiofrequency. What I mean by that is there are two poles, one internal, one external. What this does is it passes radiofrequency energy from inside the skin to outside, and that stimulates the skin to shrink. So we make small holes. Through those holes, we pass the probe like this. So this part is below the skin, the other part is outside the skin. It passes radiofrequency energy from inside to outside. What this radiofrequency energy does is it raises the temperature of the skin, and this stimulates collagen synthesis, protein coagulation, and ultimately skin tightening. And this is how we are able to tighten the skin using Bodytite. This is superior to other skin tightening treatments because others work from the outside. This works from under the skin, and that is why it gives far better skin tightening than any other machine. But what is its use in gynecomastia? Well, to understand that, you need to understand the 4 grades of gynecomastia. Grade 1 is mild, just a little bit of gland around the nipple. Grade 2 is moderate but without much extra skin. Grade 3 is moderate but with extra skin. And grade 4 is severe, where it almost starts looking like a female breast. You can see the different grades over here. Now, in grade 3 and 4, along with removing the fat and gland, we also need to do something for that extra skin. Till now, the treatment for this was to remove that skin. Unfortunately, the problem with this is that gives bad scars. In grade 3, you have a scar around the nipple like this. In grade 4, you have a large horizontal scar in the chest like this. And this kind of defeats the purpose of gynecomastia surgery. You're doing gynecomastia surgery so that you can be bare-chested, go out, whether it's a swimming pool or a temple, things like that, and people don't comment on you. But if there are scars there, that purpose is not served. And that is where Bodytite comes in. So how Bodytite helps us is, we make small holes to treat the gynecomastia. We do this under local anesthesia. We make one hole in the nipple, one hole in the side. Through those holes, we suck out the fat. To the nipple hole, we also remove the glandular tissue. Once this is done, we then use the Bodytite probe to tighten the skin. So we put the Bodytite probe through those same small holes, and then we do the skin tightening. You might be wondering, if it's raising the temperature, can it cause issues like burns or something? The answer is no. It is very, very safe because there is a safety cutoff, and whatever happens, the temperature is not going to rise above a certain limit. That's what makes this procedure so safe. The next animation will show you how the Bodytite procedure actually works. Now, in 90% of patients, the Bodytite is able to contract the skin completely. Nothing further is required. In around 10% of patients, typically in those who smoke heavily, there is a little bit of extra skin left. Some procedure might be required after 3 months. But even then, we are avoiding those big ugly scars. That is the beauty of this Bodytite treatment. You can see some of our results wherein even large grade 4 gynecomastias have shrunk very, very well. So how do we do this procedure? As I said, it's under local anesthesia. You come, get it done, go home the same day. There's no admission or anything. When you go home, there's a bandage around the area that we have operated. You need to come for 2 days to get that bandage changed. From the 3rd day after procedure, you can go back to work. What makes this procedure so beautiful is, under local anesthesia, the procedure is very, very safe. There is no risk of general anesthesia. There's no risk of causing any kind of internal damage. Secondly, we're reducing the complications of the procedure because we're making you stand up in the middle of the after the surgery and putting the compression dressing. So we're squeezing all the fluid out, avoiding complications as seroma. Number 3, we're avoiding very large scars. As I said, that's the main thing here. Our aim is to try and avoid large scars. Number 4 is the result is better because we're able to make you stand up during the surgery, see how it's looking, make you lie down, do some more. This is how Bodytite by Inmode has been a game changer in gynecomastia treatment. Large, ugly old scars can now be greatly eliminated. If you would like to know more, get in touch with us. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a great day.